Take a moment to enjoy the holiday spirit with us as we arrive at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort, just in time to catch Minnie's wonderful Christmastime fireworks from Sunset Point. Soak in the excitement, ambiance, and festive music as we unwind at this peaceful spot with stunning views of Magic Kingdom's holiday fireworks. We hope this moment from the CRLM Travels brightens your day and brings a little Disney magic to your holiday season. Was that?
I ran so fast and I have so much stamina. I know.
There's just people over there, just don't block their view.